Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of enable two-factor authentication from your Gmail account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. Then in the address bar type account.google.com to log in with your Google accounts. Enter your email and password. That's the password. Click next to continue. Now your Gmail have been open. So on your right top corner, click on Google Accounts. Click on Manage your Google Accounts. Then on the left side, click on Security. Under Sign in to Google account, click on Two-Step Verification to enable your two-factor authentication. Click Get Started. Enter your email and password to have access to enable your two-way factor authentication. Enter your phone number that will be used as a verification so that Google will send a verification code on your phone to confirm your login whenever you try to log in with your email. Then click next. Now your two-way factor authentication has been enabled. Copy the password that Google sent to your phone from your message inbox, then paste it to confirm to enable your two-way factor authentication. Now, two-way factor authentication have been enabled for Gmail account. So whenever you try to log in, verification code will be sent to your phone so that you copy and paste. That will give you access to your email. So let's sign out. Try to log in when we have enabled the two-way authentication. Now, when you look through your inbox, you'll find that Google will send a message that two-step verification have been turned on. Let's try to access. Open any browser of your choice. Open your Gmail account with your email and password. Click next. This will prompt you to the verification code that Google sent to your phone. Let's look on this my phone. This is the verification code. I copy it. I paste it. I click next. This will give me access to my Gmail account. Prevent any cybercrime on my Gmail account. I've been able to access my Gmail and have enabled two-way authentication. Thank you for watching this. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, clicking the bell icon to receive an update any a new video. Again, under the description, click on link to the post to find more information on our website on how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Gmail account. Thank you.